Defending yourself from a toxic person doesn't make you a toxic person. You are just defending yourself. The only way you're going to become toxic is if you start to do the things that your abuser used to do to you to other people. But if you are just defending yourself from the abuser, you should never believe that you're toxic, because that's one of the things that the abuser is going to put in your head to make you think that you are also the abuser, that you are also abusing them. That's part of the gaslighting. They'll do things to you, but when you react to defend yourself from those things, they're going to start accusing you of being them. That's part of the mind games. Do not worry about that. You are not toxic. If you are fighting for your life to get out of a relationship that's been toxic, that's been abusive, you've been dealing with a narcissist, you trying to defend yourself from anything like that doesn't make you a bad person. It doesn't make you a toxic person. You are just being defensive. You are just trying to find a way out. And if the abuser and anyone from that toxic environment are calling you toxic, understand they are just trying to play mind games with you. Defend yourself as much as you can and get out of there as soon as possible so you could start your healing process right after that. Just that simple.